waterfall, waterfall.
Water, especially from a river or stream, dropping from a higher to a lower point, sometimes from a great height.
We walked for an hour and arrived at the waterfall.
Kit, kit.
A collection of things kept in a container for a particular use.
A first aid or toolkit. Recipe, recipe.
A list of foods and a set of instructions telling you how to cook something.
Do you know a good recipe for wholemeal bread? For real South Asian food, just follow these recipes. Check-in, counter. Check-in, counter. Counter.
The place at an airport where you show your ticket so that you can be told where you will be sitting.
A representative from the tour operator will meet you at the check-in. I'll meet you by the check-in counter.
Engaged, engaged.
Having formally agreed to marry.
Debbie and Chris have just got engaged. She was engaged to some guy in the army.
If a telephone or public toilet is engaged, someone is already using it.
Every time I ring her, the number is engaged. The sign on the toilet door said, "Engaged."
Comic, comic.
Funny.
A comic actor or performance. Blow, blow. Blew, blown.
If the wind blows, it moves, and makes currents of air.
The wind was blowing harder every minute.
To force air out through your mouth.
She blew on her coffee before taking a sip.
To clear your nose by forcing air through it into a piece of paper or cloth.
He blew his nose loudly.
Pronounce, pronounce.
Pronunciation, pronounce.
To make the sound of a letter or word.
How do you pronounce your surname? She pronounced his name so badly he didn't even recognize it. Sade, pronounced Sade, is a singer. Announcement, 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 announce.
Something that someone says officially, giving information about something.
The president made an unexpected announcement this morning.
Mystery, mystery.
Mystery, mysterious, mysteriously.
Something strange or unknown which has not yet been explained or understood.
An unsolved mystery. How the massive stones were brought here from hundreds of miles away remains a mystery. He never gave up hope that he would solve the mystery of his son's disappearance.
Expedition, expedition.
An organized journey, especially a long one for a particular purpose.
Shackleton led several expeditions in the Antarctic.
Historical. Historical.
History, historian, historic, historical, historically.
Relating to events or people in the past, or to the study of history.
Many important historical documents were destroyed when the library was bombed. She specializes in historical novels set in 18th century England. Face to face. Face to face.
Involving two people who are meeting in the same place.
A face-to-face meeting. Relative. Relative. Relation, relationship, relative, relate, related, relative, unrelated, relatively.
A member of your family.
There was a party for friends and relatives. I haven't got many blood relatives. All her close or distant relatives came to the wedding. Private. Private. Privacy, privatize, private, privately.
Only for one person or group and not for everyone.
She has a small office which is used for private discussions. I caught him looking through my private papers. The sign on the gate said, "Private property, no admittance."
Describes activities which involve personal matters or relationships and are not connected with your work.
Apparently in interviews he refuses to talk about his private life.